The Tranya Rimor True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Tranya Rimor True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and warranty information, USB-C cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The Tranya Rimor features 8 hours of listening time, 32 total hours with the case. It takes 1 hour to fully charge the earbuds and 2 hours to charge the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, 10mm drivers, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The charging case has a 500 mAh battery and it's fairly light. It has a matte finish all around and a grippy feel to it. The lid is not the tinted transparent top that we typically see from the other models. On the front of the case, you have the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is easy to open and close and it utilizes magnets along with the earbuds. They are firmly secured inside the case. Removing the earbuds is simple. Just use the notches on the side. The ear indicators are marked inside the case as well. As mentioned earlier, these utilize 10mm drivers, and you can see it has a nice ergonomic shape to it. It's plastic all around with a nice large outer face for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds feature an LED, charging contacts, touch control, microphone, and interchangeable ear tips. And this is how they look side by side. Navigating playback and call controls are straightforward. Just tap a few times to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.7 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 43 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tranya Rimor microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the left or right side independently. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Tranya Rimor earbuds. and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were very comfortable and it seated well in my ears. It created a nice tight seal, and it's in line with the fitment of the previous models like the B530 and the T3. The touch controls were responsive and easy to use, and it didn't add any additional pressure when navigating. They also stayed into place while running. Build and quality is good. The case has a small, simple design, and the earbuds also are simple, and I like the fact that they use touch controls. The overall form factor is not that large, so it doesn't protrude out as much. The battery life is respectable, coming in at 8 hours and 32 total with the case. I like the fact that it uses USB-C for charging, but it would have been nice to see in wireless. Now let's talk about sound. They marketed these earbuds as for the audiophiles on the go, and I can tell you that they did not disappoint. The sound is amazing. Starting off with the bass, I felt that it was tight and punchy. You do get that deep bass, but dialed down a bit compared to the T3 and B530 models. When I say that, it seems more precise and just right. Mids and highs are excellent. Very good separation and crisp sounding. It's a bit forward but not too bright sounding. When I initially heard the sounds, the first thing that came to my mind was Liprotect Heavies. The sound signature is very close, if not even better. Very similar soundstage. Vocals really stand out, and you may have gotten a glimpse from the sound samples. I think the 10mm drivers take this design to another level compared to the previous models. Overall, I think Tranya has a clear winner with the Rimors. It has a good battery life and provides you an IPX5 rating. And the sounds are surprisingly good. The price point is also very competitive. That is my review of the Tranya Rimor True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.